Hello everyone, today we are going to see about z equal to a log into b into y minus 1 divided by 1 minus x. So this is the question. We want to differentiate with x and differentiate with y, and we want to form our normal differential equation. So let we do differentiate. First we differentiate with respect to x. So if we differentiate means dou z by dou x equal to a. If we differentiate log x means, if we differentiate log x is 1 by x. So 1 by x is, this is the x term. So b into y minus 1 divided by 1 by 1 minus x, and it has another x. So it is in the form of u by v method. So we do that v u dash, v is 1 by x and u dash is, there is no x term. So this is 0 and minus v, u v dash. So here u is b into y minus 1 and v dash is there having a 1 x term. So if we differentiate, that means we get minus 1 divided by v square. Our v square is 1 minus x the whole square. So this is the dou x form. Then dou z by dou x can be written as p. So p or dou z by dou x equal to a. This denominator 1 minus x goes to numerator. So a into 1 minus x divided by b into y minus 1, and this term is goes to 0. So minus into minus plus b into y minus 1 divided by 1 minus x the whole square. This is taken as a first equation. Likewise also we differentiate with respect to y. So dou z by dou y can be written as a into 1 by, same as it is log x. If we log y differentiate means we get 1 by y. So that y is here. 1 by b into y minus 1 divided by 1 minus x. And this y is in the also in the form of u by v method. So what we do means differentiate with respect to the u by v method. So here v is 1 by x. Here u dash means here u is b into y minus 1. So if we multiply inside means we get by minus b. So our u value is by minus b. If we differentiate with respect to y means we get only b, and this term goes to 0. So 1 minus x into b divided into b minus u v dash. So here u is b into y minus 1, v dash is 0. So divided by 1 minus x the whole square, that is v square. This is the form of dou z by dou x, and it can be written as q. Q equal to q or dou z by dou y equal to a into this 1 minus x denominator goes to numerator. So a into 1 minus x divided by b into y minus 1 into this term goes to 0 because into 0, and b into 1 minus x divided by 1 minus x the whole square. So this equation taken as 2. And if we want to find a ordinary form of differential equation, so what we do means divide p and q, that is divide 1 and 2 means 1 and 2 means we get 1 and 2 means we get p by q equal to a into, same as it is written as it is, and here q, here by q. So this numerator goes to denominator and denominator goes to numerator. So if we cancel the like terms, so b into y minus 1 and b into y minus 1, and 1 minus x the whole square, 1 minus x the whole square, a into 1 minus x, a into 1 minus x, and also here b term. The left terms are p by q equal to y minus 1 divided by 1 minus x. This y 1 minus x and this y minus 1. So if we cross multiply this means we get p into 1 minus x equal to q into 1 minus x 1 y minus 1. So if we multiply inside means we get p minus px equal to qy minus q, and this can be changed as p plus q minus taken in the left side term. So p plus q minus px minus qy equal to 0. This is the our partial differential equation. This equation, if we do means we get that answer. So this is the solution for this question. Hope you all understand and thank you.